In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in Notion. A sales pipeline is simply a visual way to see every opportunity from first contact to a closed deal. Notion's board view is perfect for this because it lets you track work as it moves through clear stages. To begin, create a new board view database inside your workspace. You can add a new page, choose a database, and select the board layout. Give it a descriptive name, like Sales Pipeline, so it's easy to find later. This board will become your command sentence for every lead and client opportunity. Next, rename the columns to reflect your sales stages. Common stages include lead, proposal, negotiation, and closed. Rename each column so they read left to right in the order a deal would naturally progress. Keep the names short and clear, and only include the stages you actually use. If your process is slightly different, that's fine. Just make sure the flow feels intuitive to you and anyone else who will use it. Now, it's time to populate the board. Add a new card for each sales opportunity or client. Use the card title for the client or project name so you can scan the board quickly. Keep your naming consistent so search works well and you don't duplicate entries. Think of each card as a live record of one potential deal that you'll update as the relationship evolves. Inside each card, include the details that matter most. Add the deal value so you can quickly gauge potential revenue. Add basic contact information without storing anything sensitive. Just what you need to follow up confidently. Then add a follow-up date so you always know the next action. In Notion, you can create properties for these fields, like a number for value and a date for follow-ups. Use reminders on the date property to get a gentle nudge when it's time to reach out. As your deals move forward, drag cards between columns to reflect their current stage. Move a card from lead to proposal when a quote is sent, then to negotiation if terms are being discussed, and finally to closed once you've won or marked it as complete. Each time you move a card, add a quick note with the latest context and the next step. Finally, review the board regularly to track active opportunities and completed sales. A quick daily sweep keeps you on top of follow-up dates, and a weekly review helps spot bottlenecks and plan priorities. Keep your data tidy, update cards promptly, and use the closed column as your archive of results. With this simple setup, your sales pipeline in Notion will stay clear, current, and actionable.